Are you helping runners? Are you helping them race their best? Are you expanding your sales to track teams? Help athletes race like pros and train like them too. World records have been set recently with pacing from Wavelight, but it's expensive. Pacing systems can be mainstreamed if they're made affordable. Hi, I'm Brian Peck and I'm a distance runner. I may not be the fastest runner, but I always want to race my best. I have had great races by running my own race and going at an even pace. Even pacing helps prevent slowing down at the end of races, and it's not surprising that world records have even splits. Even pacing can help you race fast and train at the right intensity. Now, coaches and watches are great, but you don't know how fast to start each rep? OnPace works from the first step and helps you visualize your pace before you start. Ready, set, go. OnPace also works for every step, not every lap when you check your watch. OnPace helps you run solo, whether you're a world record holder doing a time trial or just can't make practice time. OnPace also works for multiple groups at once. This new type of system not only engages athletes with every step, but also entertains the fans, as they can see how close their favorite runners are to breaking records. A marketing video was sent to multiple collegiate coaches to gauge their interest in the system. The majority of the coaches were interested, but not quite interested enough to buy at $8,000. One coach was uninterested, but multiple coaches were not only interested, but they'd be willing to buy at $8,000. One coach that I didn't even send a survey to had heard about the system online and approached me about purchasing it for their college. Now, who is this last coach? Well, it's actually Jason Moss, the head coach of cross country and track at ONU. And he's not only had great success as a coach, but he's also the first coach that is using OnPace. Here are some of the first athletes at Ohio Northern University that are able to use this system to improve their workouts. Protective tubes carry LEDs around the track to boxes every 20 meters with components. All coaches need is one standard wall outlet and one laptop. This laptop will run a custom-made user interface that allows you to easily create workouts. You can also save and load workouts, as well as run clockwise or counterclockwise around the track. And you can either manually start reps and sets, or you can automate them to run on a timer. The other competitor is LED Rabbit, but it costs $13,000 and requires surveying. OnPace is much more affordable and does not require surveying. LED Rabbit only allows 3 groups to run with a green light, whereas OnPace has 8 groups that can run in basically any color you want. And LED Rabbit's restricted to some tracks, whereas OnPace can work for tracks of any size or shape. The next generation of pacing is here. Will you be a part of it?